everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change your ease in Discord. So for that you need to do this process on the Google browser, as you cannot do this on the mobile device application. So first of all, open a Google browser and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, type in discord.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page where you will need to get logged in. Click on open Discord over here. As you can see, I am already logged in into my Discord account. So once you have been logged in, what you have to do is you need to submit a request to Discord, and in that form you need to fill in your date of birth and attach your ID for the confirmation, and then you send the request for Discord to change the date of birth for your Discord account. So to begin that, you need to tap on the question mark icon on the top right corner over here, the help. Click that, and here on this page you need to click on submit a request. Click on it. Here on this page you need to choose the option which you need to help with, that is changing your account info, that is your ease. Click on the drop down menu, and from here all the options available, you need to click the trust and safety. Click that. Once you do that, you will need to fill in the details over here. Type in your email address of the Discord account. And below, how can we help? Click on the drop down menu, and from here you need to choose the option of appeal, ease, update, other question. Click that. Now below you need to choose what it is that you want to make the changes to. From the options available, you need to choose the update my ease information. Click that. Please confirm that you read the information below. You go through the information that has been provided over here and then click on the checkbox. Now scroll down and you need to provide the phone number. You can either provide it or you can leave it as well. Now below you type in the date of birth. You type in your date of birth over here. Then on the below you need to click on the checkbox. Please confirm that you have attached the required material. So to verify, you will need to verify your email address, and then you will need to verify a phone number if you have provided that number on the Discord, and you will need to attach a photo of yourself, a photo of ID which contain my date of birth, and the second is the piece of paper with my team's Discord username using the add file option below. So from here you need to provide the subject. Type in the subject over here, and below you provide the description for why you choose to change your ease. So once you have provided the description, you need to provide the attachment. Click on the add file, and here you will need to provide a ID of yourself with the date of birth. So you need to provide either your driving license or your citizenship certificate. You choose the file and upload it over here. Once all the details or the file uploading process is done, you can go through once more with all the details if anything missing over here, and then below you need to click on submit. After you have submitted the request, you need to wait for 1 to 3 business days for Discord to change your account information. If all the information and the file that you have provided to Discord are correct and the verification process is completed, Discord will change the ease of your account. You will need to wait for the mail or any kind of notification from Discord. So this is how you can change ease in Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.